Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys, and this is going to be the 15th day of the 30 days phrases English challenge which I had started some days ago, and this is going to be the day 15 of this challenge. Here I am going to teach you the phrases of get. When we are adding some preposition with the meaning of get, it is making a very interesting meaning which we can use in our day-to-day life conversation. Until we use these phrases in our daily conversation, we cannot speak good English. So here I am teaching you guys. This is my work to teach you guys, and your work is left. You guys have to note down with me. You guys have to note down these phrases along with me, and after that you have to learn these phrases, and then you guys have to use in your 20 to 30 minutes speaking exercise which I have taught you in a very specific video. Okay, so you guys have to speak, you guys have to do a speaking practice. You guys can speak in front of the mirror. Apart from speaking in front of the mirror, you guys can speak you guys can record yourself on your mobile phone camera. It is having another extra advantage, because when you are recording yourself, you will be able to make over your faults because you are recording. After that, you will be able to watch your videos, and then you will be able to know how am I making faults, where am I making faults, what are the weaknesses, what are the mistakes that I am doing every day. So you will be able to make over those faults. आप उन गलतियों को सुधार सकोगे. तो यहाँ पर एक एक्स्ट्रा एडवांटेज है, तो रिकॉर्ड करिए वीडियो. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, before diving into the video, I want to give you a little bit introduction of myself. Guys, my name is Aditya Prajapati and I come from a very small village of Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed all my education so far in Hindi medium background, and I have been improving this language for 1.5 years, and I started a YouTube channel so that it can help you guys, so that you guys can also speak very good English, because I can relate to those guys who come from very humble background, village backgrounds, Hindi medium background. I also come from these backgrounds, so only because of this reason I started a YouTube channel so that I can help you guys. So please, if you like my videos, please like करा करिए, okay, and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends who are very very close to you so that they can also watch my videos, okay, and comment on my videos. Okay, so let's come to the point. Guys, the phrase number first, that is get up. Get up means so उठना या बिस्तर से उठना, दो होती हैं. Okay, खड़ा होना और या बिस्तर से उठना. तो examples, we are going to take 2 examples here. Example number 1, get up. Please get up when the teacher comes into the room. ओके, तो कृपया आपको खड़े होना है जब टीचर आपके रूम में प्रवेश करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, दैट इज आई ऑलवेज गेट अप एट 5 AM इन द मॉर्निंग. मैं सुबह डेली 5 बजे उठता हूँ. Okay, so these were 2 examples with the meaning of get up. It is really interesting. So use this meaning in your everyday life. Guys, the phrase number 2, that is get plus verb की third form. गेट के साथ में यदि वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म आती है तो इसका मतलब होता है करवाना, किसी कार्य को करवाना. ओके, तो एग्जांपल लेते हैं. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, आई विल गेट इट डन. मैं इस कार्य को करवा लूंगा, मैं इसको करवा लूंगा दूसरे से. ओके, आई विल गेट इट डन. एग्जांपल नंबर 2, दैट इज आई विल गेट द मोबाइल फोन रिपेयर्ड. मैं मोबाइल फोन को रिपेयरिंग करवा लूंगा, तो आई विल गेट द मोबाइल फोन रिपेयर्ड. तो इस तरीके से यूज करते हैं. So this was the second number phrase which I have taught you, that is get plus verb की third form. Guys, the phrase number 3, that is get ahead. Get ahead means so that कामयाब होना. So we are going to take 2 examples here. Example number 1, you will definitely get ahead in your life if you are consistent enough every day. यदि तुम डेली कंसिस्टेंट हो तो तुम डेफिनेटली अपने जीवन में सफल होगे. तो ये हुआ एक पहला एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 ले रहे हैं. सो you will get ahead in this business. तुम इस बिजनेस में सफल होगे, कामयाब होगे. Okay, so these were two examples with the meaning of get ahead. Get ahead means so that कामयाब होना. So this was the third number phrase. This was the phrase number third. Okay guys, the phrase number fourth, that is get away. Get away means होता है किसी चीज से दूर रहना या छोड़ना. So we are going to take two examples. Example number one, I want to get away this job. मैं इस जॉब को छोड़ना चाहता हूँ. Example number two, I want to get away the bad habits. मैं बुरी आदतों को छोड़ना चाहता हूँ. So these were two examples I have given here. This is very interesting. So use these kinds of sentences in your everyday life so that you guys can speak very good English very soon. Okay. So guys, the phrase number fifth, that is get on. Get on means होता है चढ़ना. Okay. तो हमने we always when we play PUBG, so we already have listened it so many times that is get on. Get on means होता है चढ़ना. तो हम यूज करते हैं ना get on the car. दो और एक्स्ट्रा एग्जाम्पल लेते. We are going to take two extra examples here. Example number one, I will get on the train at 2 PM. मैं ट्रेन पर 2 बजे चढ़ूंगा. ओके. एग्जाम्पल नंबर टू, प्लीज गेट ऑन द बस बिफोर इट लीव्स. यानी कि बस के निकलने से पहले उस पर चढ़ जाओ. ओके. सो दीज वर टू एग्जाम्पल्स हियर आई हैव गिवन. ओके गाइस, सो दिस वाज द फ्रेज नंबर फिफ्थ दैट आई हैव टॉट यू, दैट इज गेट ऑन. गेट ऑन मींस होता है चढ़ना. Guys, the phrase number 6, that is get down. Get down means होता है मूड खराब करना. So examples लेते. Example number 1, you got down me in the party. तुमने पार्टी में मेरा मूड खराब कर दिया था. Okay. Example number 2, that is the bad news, got down me. I am feeling very low. बुरी खबर ने मुझे निराश कर दिया, यानी कि निराश दुखी कर दिया और मैं बहुत ही लो महसूस कर रहा हूँ. सो दीज आर टू एग्जाम्पल्स हियर आई हैव गिवन एंड दीज वर वेरी इजी टू फॉर्म. These kinds of sentences you guys have to form and use in your daily life. Okay, so this was the phrase number 6, that is get down. Okay guys, the phrase number 7, that is get over. Get over means होता है काबू पाना. जब हम यूज करते हैं कि ये तुम यार अपने गुस्से को काबू नहीं कर सकते क्या, तो हम यूज करते हैं ना. So we are going to take two examples here. Example number 1, you can't get over your anger. तुम अपने गुस्से को काबू नहीं कर सकते. Example number 2, that is it took me a while to get over the cold. जो सर्दी हो जाती है ना, जुकाम उकाम हो जाता है, ठंडी हो जाती है शरीर में, तो उसको काबू पाने में थोड़ा समय लग गया मुझे. तो ये हुआ इसका मतलब. So this was the phrase number 7 that I have taught you, that is get over. Get over means होता है काबू पाना. Guys, the phrase number 8, that is get rid of. Get rid of means होता है छुटकारा पाना, किसी चीज से छुटकारा पाना. तो we are going to take two examples here. Example number 1, I want to get rid of the bad habit that I have in my life. जो मेरी लाइफ में बुरी आदतें हैं, मैं उनसे छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूँ. Example number 2, finally I got rid of the old clothes from the closet. अलमारी से फाइनली मैंने अपने पुराने कपड़ों से छुटकारा पा लिया, अब उसमें सारे नए कपड़े हैं. तो these were two examples and this was the phrase number 8 with the meaning of and I have given two examples by using get rid of. Okay guys, the phrase number 9, that is get out. Get out means होता है to leave a place, यानी किसी स्थान को छोड़ना. तो examples we are going to take two examples. Example number 1, it's so hot in here, we need to go for a walk. यानी कि यहाँ पर बहुत गर्म महसूस हो रहा है, यहाँ पर बहुत गर्मी है, हमें एक वॉक के लिए जाना चाहिए. ओके. तो ये था एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, दैट इज वी आर गेटिंग लेट, वी नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ हियर. हमें यहाँ से जाने की जरूरत है, हम लेट हो रहे हैं. सो दिस वाज द फ्रेज नंबर 9, गेट आउट. गेट आउट हम यूज करते हैं हमेशा. गेट आउट फ्रॉम माई हाउस, गेट आउट ऑफ हियर, यहाँ से चले जाओ. तो गाइज, द फ्रेज नंबर 10th और फाइनल वन, दैट इज गेट बैक. गेट बैक मीन्स होता है किसी चीज पर वापस जाना. किसी स्थान पर, किसी चीज पर वापस जाना। जैसे एग्जाम्पल लेते, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, आई विल गेट बैक दी होम एट 6 PM। मैं 6 बजे तक, शाम को 6 बजे तक घर पे वापस जाऊंगा। ओके, एग्जाम्पल, दूसरा एग्जाम्पल लेते, वी आर गोइंग टू, दैट इज आई नीड टू गेट बैक टू वर्क आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माई लंच। यानी कि लंच करने के पश्चात मैं अपने मुझे अपने कार्य को वापस करने की जरूरत है, वापस करने की जरूरत है। ओके, तो ये थे 10 phrases with the meaning of gate. When we are adding some preposition with the meaning of gate, it is making really interesting meaning. So here I have taught you. This was the day 15 of this 30 days challenge. So we are on the half way. We already have completed the halfway and halfway is left. So dive into with me in this challenge. If you are following this challenge with me continuously, with the consistency what I have taught you, on that way if you are following me, you are going to learn this language very soon. You are going to enhance your conversation, you are going to enhance your communication skills with me, guys. So if you found it interesting, you found it helpful, so please like on my video and comment on my video. How am I making videos and on what topic do I have to make videos? Please, I need to know. Please let me know on what topic do I have to make my videos. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel and support me, guys. Okay, have a good day. We'll meet in another specific video. Okay, bye bye.